It's the Leo Show, the Leo Show, the Leo Show. The Leo Show, the Leo Show, the Leo Show.
They were making pants for George the cat.
Things you will need: a cat, scissors, tape measure, decorations for your pants, Gortek and the Microchips for the Commodore 64 from 1983, glue, a History of Mathematics VII, the book, and construction paper.
Looks like they're 4. Looks like 4 inches long. 4 inches long, Dad. Next, we're going to pick the color of George's pants. How about green?
It's your favorite color, right?
Yeah. Now we're going to decorate the pants.
Let's see the pants. What do you have to decorate?
Stickers, glue, and also some decorations.
What'd you find?
Where is the dog one?
Here.
Found something very cool. It looks like that there's 2 of these. It looks like 2 are the cat ones, and looks like 2 are the dog ones. Okay, so first dogs. Now I'm going to use cats. Please be winter cat, please be winter cat. Yay, winter cat! Now I need some more stickers.
All right, hold it up. Let's see your finished pants.
But
Can you hold it up so we can
pants
see
are
it?
supposed to be for your bottom.
Yeah, it's for her bottom. His bottom, George. All right, let's go see if George likes it.
George, do you like your new boots of pants?
All right, let's put them on George. Like this. Here, I was going to put them here, right? What do you think, George?
You're so stupid.
Oh, I should love those pants I got. I love the stickers. They're the best pants ever.
What about the dogs on them?
I don't mind that there are dogs on them.
What about the minion? Holding them.
I love Minions. It's making me very comfy and tired. These are soft, comfy pants.
What about the Valentine stickers?
They are very pretty too. Thank you.
Well, thank you. Look, a cat is eating ice cream, a dog is eating a donut, and a minion about to eat a cupcake.
Oh, wonderful pants. I will wear them out when I go outside.
Thank you for watching the Leo Show. Bye.
It's the Leo Show, the Leo Show, the Leo Show.